How to turn off or on missed call notifications on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. First just go to Truecaller and here click on your profile and then click the settings icon here, and now scroll down until you find this one, calling. Click on it and then scroll down again, and here you will find missed call notifications. Now click on it, and here you can manage it. Enable Truecaller and click allow. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.